Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you doing, guys? Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Guys, I really appreciate that. Please feel free to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, you can share this tutorial with your friends. Please ask them to also subscribe to my channel to watch my video down to the end. It's another way for you guys to support my channel to grow. Please also turn on your notification bell to get notified so that you can see my new tutorial whenever I upload new tutorial on my channel. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching to the end. So let's get started now. Guys, don't forget that we are making wrap top with a balloon sleeve. So I will start by cutting my back piece first. So I'm going to use the back piece to cut the front piece. I will draw a straight line for us to start our measurement. Okay, so I will take the length of my top, which is 24 inch. So I will mark 24 inch on both sides of my fabric. So I will draw a straight line also. Okay, so I'm going by 11 inch for the width of my top, and I'm going to also use 3 inch for the neckline. So I'm bringing the depth of my neckline by 2 inch. Okay, so I'll just give a curve. All right, so I'll go ahead now to measure my shoulder, which is by 8 inch. Okay, so then I'll draw a straight line. Okay, so I will slope my shoulder by 1 inch. So I'm going to connect it together. So I'm using 36 inch for my bust measurement, then I'll add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. I'll go ahead now to measure 15 inch for my half length. On my half length, that's where I'm going to get my waist measurement, which is 28 inch. Then I also add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. My hip is 40 inch. Then I also had 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Then I will give a curve for my armhole. So what I will do now, I will just connect all the marks together. Okay, remember I'm cutting the back piece of my top. Then I'm going to use it to cut the front piece, and we are making a wrap top with a balloon sleeve. All right, you can see how simple it is for you to cut this style on your own. So keep on watching this tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of this beautiful style that we are making. All right, using 1.5 fabric to make this style is a Santi material, but it's hard as you can see, and it's a pink color. So this is the back piece that we are making first, so we are going to use it to cut the front piece. So I've laid my front piece, so I will just lay the back piece on it. So we are going to use it to cut the front piece now. Now I'm going to add 5 inch for it to lap very well. So I'm adding 5 inch for that, for the wrap top to lap very well. Okay, so I'm going to give it a V shape, that is the neck is going to be V neckline in the front. Okay, so please keep on watching to see the outcome of this style that we are making, and please don't forget to watch this particular tutorial down to the end so that this channel can grow. I really want this channel to grow this year. I keep on saying that. Please support my channel by watching my tutorials, all my tutorials that I have on my channel. Please help me to watch them to the end. Help me to really watch them to the end. Like this particular one, can give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and learn from it. You can also check my other tutorials that I have already on my channel so that you can also see the other styles that I have. Like this particular style that we are making today, I already have similar tutorial on my channel. You can also check it out also after watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. So please keep on watching to see the outcome of this top that we are making. Is a wrap top that we are making, and we are using 1.5 yard to make this beautiful style today. It's a satin fabric, but it's hard. You You can see the color also is a pink color. So guys, keep on watching so that you can see the end of this tutorial today. Now I will cut my sleeve. So I'm trying to arrange it very well, okay, so that we can start with our measurements. Alright, so I'm going to fold it into triangle form. You can see how to do that. So just fold it into triangle form. So I'm using 11 inch for my sleeve length. I'm going to use 11 inch for my sleeve length. This is how to cut your triangle flare sleeve. I will place my tape rule on the sharp edge and mark, okay, so I'm going to mark 6 inch for that. Then I will now curve it, okay. I will also place my tape rule on that line that I mark. Then I will mark it down. I will mark it round, okay. You can see how simple it is. Alright, and we are going to also bob it out. We are going to use elastic to bob the sleeve, so to make it to form that balloon sleeve that we are going to attach on the top that we are making today. Alright, remember guys, I place my tape rule on the sharp edge and mark. Then after marking, I got 6 inch. Okay, so don't forget we are cutting the first sleeve now, so we are going to use it to cut the second sleeve. Then we are going to also use an elastic to pass through it after running a stitch on it, so that the sleeve can bob out, so that it can have that balloon sleeve that we are making today. Don't forget we are making a wrap top that is going to have balloon sleeve, or you can also call it puff sleeve. It's going to puff at after using our elastic to pass through it. Okay, you can see how simple it is to cut and sew this particular style that we are making today. I hope you are following up guys, and I hope you are enjoying the tutorial. Okay, so keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making. We are going to also wear it out for you guys to see the fitness. Alright, so this is the second sleeve. So we are going to use the first one to lay on it and cut it out. Then we are going to use an elastic to pass through it now after running a stitch on it. So this is how to go about it. I have run a stitch on it, so I'm using my elastic now to pass through it so that it can have that balloon that we are making, that we are trying to make today, to make the sleeve to buff out very well. So after that, we are going to also cut our belt, because it's going to have a belt for us to use and tie on our top. Okay, so that's the next step now guys. This is my belt, so I'm going to use 3 inch for the width, then the length is by 38 inch. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll run a stitch on it. Then after that, I'm going to also teach you guys how to attach it to your top. Okay, very simple style that we are making today. So this is the balloon sleeve now, is ready. So let's attach our belt to our top now. So I will measure 3 inch to where I will place my belt. Okay, so I'm using my pin to pin it down. So this is how I'm going to run a stitch on it. So after running my stitch on it, so I'm going to wear it out for you guys to see the fitness. Don't forget I'm using 3 inch to place it there. This is what I have. So beautiful, my wrap top with balloon sleeve ready now. I hope you understood what we did today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified to see my new tutorials. You can give this video a thumbs up. Please watch this particular tutorial down to the end. Thank you for watching. Please you can check my other tutorials now.